the most by the college readiness notion of going on. I couldn't find anybody at the college level who was even interested at that time, 3 years ago.
Last question.
Thank you. Is there anything that school boards can do to delay or to have an impact on Common Core? Is it just gonna come railroading through?
It's a wonderful question. Is there anything school boards can do? I don't know, because a lot of these things would have to be tested out and piloted. Could a school committee in Massachusetts, for example, a group of them, file a lawsuit against the state board for not having informed them of the decision it made? I don't know whether there are legal grounds, I'm not a lawyer, but certainly that's something to think about. They should have been informed as a matter of courtesy of what was going to happen, because their powers were being taken away. So that's something to explore. They could also do something else in Massachusetts specifically with Browns. They could say, we're going to have our students continue to use the old standards, period. Now, what would happen as a penalty? I don't know. Certainly the National Guard isn't going to be called out against them. But is there money that the State Department of Ed would withhold? I don't know what penalties for civil disobedience, and this is what the term I'm using everywhere. It came from this state. It came from this state. Now is the time for people to test it out.
Again.
That's all I can say. I've been telling English teachers to do that. Teach what they think they should teach in their courses, in their syllabi, and practice mass civil disobedience. You can't do it one at a time.
The speakers will be here for a few minutes after, so if you have questions, I'm sure you can come up and grab them. I'm going to curtail my closing comments, but before I just make about 1 minute's worth, I want all of the